Captain Rush here with Local Knowledge, and today I want to talk to you about props. A very common question I get is, what is my favorite prop? And there's really no right answer to that because it all depends on your application and your boat you're putting them on. All boats are configured a little differently. Some people want forward seating, some people have a tower, some people have 2 live wells in the back. And that plays a big role in selecting your prop. Your weights and balances are always going to be different. What do you want to accomplish? What do you want to get out of a different set of props? Is it going to be a little more speed? Is it going to be whole shot? Is it going to be better fuel economy? I'm a charter boat captain. I don't get to pick my days. A lot of days are rough out there, and I need to be able to run at low RPMs, and I want that boat to ride level and stay on top of the waves. Generally, when you're talking about props, 3 blades are going to give you bow lift. 4 blades are going to give you stern lift. In my head, I totally thought I needed a 4 blade. Not all 4 blades are created equal. This one's got a real short barrel. This one's got a long barrel. And all these different specs on a prop are going to do different things to different boats. I tried a couple different ones, but where I ended up was totally the opposite. I ended up running 3 blades. I was looking for stern lift, so I really didn't think a 3 blade was going to work for me. But now Mercury has these big diameter 3 blade props, 16-inch diameter. And what these do is they give you overall lift. They lift the entire boat out of the water and also give you a ton of bite. The boat's going to handle a lot better. So I had to try the Eco. The rule of thumb when you're testing props is you're going to test the boat the way you intend to use it. I'm going to set my boat up exactly how I'm going to be running it on a normal day. 150 gallons of fuel, 2 live wells full, 3 people on the boat, and all the bait and ice I'm going to be carrying with a normal load. Selecting a prop is always trial and error. The only way you're really going to get a true test is to put that prop on your boat and run it yourself. You can always refer to Mercury's website. They have a detailed description of every single prop they sell. They have a pitch calculator. It's a good place to start when you're looking for props.